Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time checking us out, welcome to Traveling with the Chief. This is a off the cliff video. Today we're going to be checking out a small town called Grafton, Illinois. Now Grafton, Illinois is a historic river town at the confluence of the Mississippi and the Illinois rivers, known for its scenic views, outdoor activities, and wineries. With attractions like the Aries Winery and Resort, Grafton Harbor, and riverfront dining. It offers a mix of outdoor adventure, relaxation, and local charm, attracting visitors for its unique location and amenities. So we decided to take the Grafton Ferry, coming out of St. Charles, Missouri. This ferry provides vehicles and passenger service across the Mississippi River between St. Charles County, Missouri, and Grafton, Illinois. Now, the ferry runs seasonally, April to November, on weekends only, Fridays through Sundays. The Grafton Ferry accommodates cars, trucks, motorcycles, and foot passengers with cash payments only at the time of boarding. Operating hours: Friday 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., Saturday and Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Now, one of our favorite stops on Main Street, Grafton, Illinois, is an indoor-outdoor restaurant called The Loading Dock. The Loading Dock is a popular American restaurant and entertainment venue known for its scenic Mississippi riverfront location. You can dance to live music with a casual atmosphere. Also, the Loading Dock is host to one of the region's largest indoor flea markets. Folks, let me tell you, if you're looking for anything with uniqueness to it, you've got to check out the Loading Dock Flea Market. Folks, let me tell you, we came across a restaurant that is a must-see. It's called Southern Coastal Cuisine. This is an indoor, outdoor, covered patio, restaurant and bar. When I tell you, the place was so nice and so large, and there was enough seating for everyone in your party, right at the water's edge. And the menu, wow, I can't say enough about the menu. They had amazing shrimp, crab legs, southern style red beans and rice, grouper bites. Well, just take a look at the menu yourself. And to give you a little history on this place, it's located in the former Grafton Market building. And how about dessert, anyone? Make sure you get by Go-Go Mae's Sunday Scoop. Nothing like freshly scooped ice cream on a hot, sunny day. Next stop, make sure you get by the Oyster Bar. Probably some of the best shrimp and grits I've ever had. And folks, we couldn't think of a better way to end our day, our trip, than at the Grafton Winery, Brewhouse, and Vineyards. And thank you for traveling with the Chief. And let us know what you thought of the video by leaving the comments in the comment section below. Hey folks, thank you for traveling with the Chief. Please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe.